Yeah.
Hello everyone,
Okay.
welcome to our platform of Thoughts on Education. And today we have Dr. D. Raghava, Principal of KGRL College of Pharmacy. Welcome to our platform, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, today in our series of Thoughts on
I'm D.
Education.
Raghava. So I welcome College Dunia. Yeah, I welcome, first of all, I welcome Vaibhavi from College Dunia. So shall we proceed the interview?
Yes,
I
sir. So,
welcome
are
her.
you ready?
Okay.
Sir, so the first question for you is, being the principal of KGRL College of Pharmacy, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership styles?
So being a principal of KGL College of Pharmacy, so while coming to leadership is a big thing of leading lot much of students, taking responsibility of the students and giving them a bright future. So the responsibility and the development of the student relies with the head of the institution as well as the leader of the institution. So being a leader, I dedicate my maximum time to develop the students at most.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, so the next question for you is, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans of the marketing and the administration of your school?
So regarding marketing and administration, in recent days, the education system, so one way it is going on an excellent way based on the National Education Policy 2020. So the upcoming education system is oriented and logic-based education system. So this revolution, I hope this revolution will change the entire scenario of education in India. And regarding marketing, so my belief is that if we learn or if we teach or if we develop the students in a proper way, training the student in a proper way is the marketing, and developing the student in a good career and good personality is the marketing strategy. So I hope this is the best marketing.
That's a different thought which I have come across in this series of interviews, sir. Sir, so the next question for you is, how does the curriculum of KGRL College of Pharmacy ensures the best practice in the industry?
So in KGRL College of Pharmacy, we follow the university guidelines and the curriculum given by the Andhra University, who is our parent university. But also we add some curriculum designs to the student so that they can easily attend their future interviews or their career. And we also interact with the industries personally, and we take the curriculum necessary for them, and we train the students on that aspects, and we prepare our student as an industry ready employee. So we train our students such a way that they can readily placed in the industry, not only in the part of subject. So we train them in as per their attitude, character, and the reliabilities our current industry is waiting for.
Absolutely, sir, absolutely. So what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the college and students are?
So my role and responsibility, so first basic rule as a principal, so I should take care of the timetable, so whether all the curriculum has been covered. So periodical monitoring of the curriculum, so weekly and daily, monthly, quarterly. So we have to monitor the academic curriculum in a periodic way, so we can get an feedback such that the student is learning the subject or the curriculum in a proper way. So this is my main strategy to teach the students. So continuous feedback is necessary. So for example, if there is a situation the student has gained or doesn't gain anything after a semester, the total failure of the system. If a student fails to perform, so it cannot be rectified after the completion of the semester. So early the detection of the problem and resolving the problem at the earliest will give a best result to the child as well as the college and the teaching. So all these things are a collective work. Not only the principal, not only the student, not only the teacher. A collective team will develop a collective student or a student with collective effect.
Absolutely right, sir. Absolutely, I agree with you. So, due to pandemic, what are changes you have seen in terms of students aspiring for higher education?
So, due to this pandemic, one major thing is that students are missing the live interaction with the teachers. So, while live interaction, we can teach the students more effectively. But in KJR College of Pharmacy, we have taken an opportunity to take the online module of classes into the next level. So we are trying to develop online YouTube channels and 3-dimensional videos, the physical class. So we are trying to develop them. Yeah, most of the students in this pandemic, so they are in a panic situation. So while coming to the academics, generally the community atmosphere is in a panic situation. So we have to understand their situation, so that we also mingle with them, and we should develop new methodologies on virtual platform, so that it impedes them to develop right from their home. So they cannot come to college in this pandemic situation. So we have to go virtually. We have to reach their homes and reach their minds. Not only the home, we have to reach their minds, and we have to understand their present scenario in the panic situation. So based on that, we have to calculate them and develop them accordingly.
Yes, sir. Sir, so what would you like people to know about your institution that they may not know?
So there are many institutions around us. So this KJL College of Pharmacy is established under the Society of the Bhimavaram Education Society. In the year, this Bhimavaram Education Society is established in the year of 1972, a very good olden years. So this society was established by the eminent persons in the Bhimavaram town. So to develop the students in the village and other curriculums. So most of the students joined here from the very small towns and small villages around us. So we are offering the education to them on a very nominal charges, and our institution is also, our society degree college and PG courses are aided from the government, and they are autonomous status. As we are a very 10-year-old education institution, we are just in planning to an autonomous status. Okay, and this college, we provide education in a high level at a nominal charges, and our motto is to develop the children and the students in high academics with on their efforts. And we also provide some facilities to students such that earn while you learn. So we provide our M.Pharma students some technical trainings. They used to given an opportunity to train the B.Pharm students. So some assistance will be taken from the students so that they can develop in their career and they can earn something while they perform their careers. So we give some internship, and we give them some financial supports also.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, so what are the roles of online and digital medium in promotion of your institution?
So online and digital media is nowadays is a big revolution. In this pandemic situation, so most of the job is performed on online. So most of our classes and our students are done. The academics parts of 70 to 80% has been done online. So this online platform today is a revolution for the current scenario in the COVID-19 pandemic. So KJR College of Pharmacy is exploding in online, and we are exploring well, and we are developing our students how to explore in online. So we are marketing on online also. Okay, thank you.
So I wish that even College Dunya will be able to provide the information about college in our online platforms, and more of the students get information about KGR and College of Pharmacy through us. So, sir,
Definitely.
yes, sir. So, sir, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
So healthy environment in the institute. So while coming to environment in the institute, the student and the teacher relationship is the major role for an educational institution. So we have some organizations or teams which monitors the relationship between the student and teacher. We used to monitor all the staff members. We used to monitor the students, and we try to develop them in building a bridge between the teacher and the student. And this how much the bridge between the student and teacher is strong, the student develops that stronger. So on this healthy relationship, the total KGL College of Pharmacy is developed. And recent pandemic situation, we are making all the measures to protect our staff, students, and everything. So we are taking all the necessary measures. Most of the students are visiting back to the colleges. So day by day, I hope very soon the normal college will be working very soon. So we are making all the measures to bring back all the previous environment in a new way.
Yes, sir. So, sir, the next question for you is, what do you see as KGRL College of Pharmacy's greatest strength?
Students are the greatest strength of the KGL College of Pharmacy, and then and my staff members. There are lot many people working last 10 to 15 years with us. So most of the teachers will stay a maximum of 5 years. They used to change from institution to institution. As here we give a teacher a friendly environment. They don't want to leave the institution. They want to stay back in the institution. So this made a good strength to the KGL College of Pharmacy. For example, myself, I have joined in the year 2010. So last 11 years, I'm staying in the college itself. So this college provides every facility to the staff members, and every facility to develop them in the academics as well as personally and everything. So those staff members are the biggest strength for the KGL College of Pharmacy, and the management as well as. So no management allows the staff to beyond their curriculum. But my management supported me. I'm a live example. So they have supported me to complete my PhD curriculum in the campus itself. I have joined as a small lecturer in the 2010. So they developed me as a principal in the year of 2020, in the span of 10 years. So this is the biggest strength for KGL College of Pharmacy. It develops the staff members, students, and the college also develops simultaneously.
Heartiest congratulations, sir, for that, for completing the 10 years journey in KGR College of Pharmacy. So, sir, any suggestions you would like to give the current youth and current aspiring students?
So current situation, we are not in a position to attend the colleges, or we cannot meet our teachers regularly. So the present situation is not such a way that the person we can see today cannot be there after 10 days due to this COVID. So make some opportunities from these situations and develop yourself. So make some online courses, or develop your academics, or develop your health. At least you are staying in the home. Develop your health, then your academics, then your family members. There are many opportunities online, and there are many courses online. You can develop your courses. There are many certified courses which can be started online and which can be completed online. So develop your curriculum, and develop your health also while staying at home. So you got much of time at the home. Try to develop your health, your academics, or you can go for an online job also. There are many opportunities online. So don't give back your time. Give your time to her for a better opportunity.
Wonderful, sir. It's a really wonderful talk with you, sir, and we are glad that you are here in our platform. That's it from my side, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, and I wish College Dunya a bright flying clovers, and you develop so educational institutions. You will be a big bridge for educational institution and the students.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.